This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
Number 4, ask yourself a simple question to get more done. Now, are you ready for the question? Hopefully you're sitting down, you're taking notes. There aren't any distractions if you're watching anything else, or if you're trying to do something else, can multitask, which we'll talk about in later lectures. Stop, pay attention. Now, are you ready for this question? It's going to help you get more things done. What is the thing that I want to do least today? Now, it might be something you're putting off. It might be something you don't want to do. You don't want to deal with the stress, the emotional trauma, the hassle. Maybe it's just something you don't want to do. What is the thing that I want to do least today? Then you're going to do it first. That might come as a surprise to you. You might have thought for me to tell you to do that last, but by getting over that hurdle, whatever it is, getting it done, you're done with it. You have that victory. You don't have to think about it anymore. You can start continuing getting on with your life and getting other things done. Now let's flip this on its head and see what happens, just a mental activity here to see what would happen if you didn't do it first, if you were to do it last. Now, if you were to do it last, you would be thinking about it all day. You would have that constant stress, that constant anxiety. Okay, what about this? What about this? Then you'd put it off to the next day, maybe, and then you have to deal with that same issue, that same stress the next day. It's going to sap your energy. Remember the trifecta of productivity: time, energy, attention. It's sapping your energy. It's also sapping your attention. So do the thing you want to do least and do it first. This also goes into a little bit of science. I'm going to break that down for you real quick. But willpower is the highest at the beginning of the day. So if you've ever experienced this, where at the end of the day you don't want to do anything, you just want to relax, and if you have the last task or the task you don't want to do, and that comes last on your list, you're probably not going to do it. You're going to have low willpower. And that has to do with blood sugar levels and all of that good stuff. But the point here is when you have this willpower high at the beginning of the day, high at the point in time when you want to do this least preferable task first, then your willpower is going to help you. You're going to use more energy to get over that hurdle. You're going to use that energy to its most productive use.